If you've been wondering how to make your X or Twitter likes private, the good news is that this is already done for you. In today's video, I'm going to clear up exactly how likes work on X, what other people can and cannot see, and how you can quickly verify your own likes tab. This is a super simple topic, but it's one a lot of people still search for, especially if they want more privacy on their profile. So if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, here's the key thing you need to know. Since 2024, your likes are already private on X. That means other users can no longer open your profile and see a public list of every post you've liked. There's no extra setting you need to turn on, and there are no privacy steps required to hide your likes. So if you came here looking for a switch or a toggle, the answer is that X has already handled this for you. Now, even though your likes are private from other users, you can still view them yourself. To verify this, log into your X account and go to your profile. On your profile page, click on Likes. This will show you the posts you've liked, but only for your own account. Other people who visit your profile will not be able to see that Likes tab in the same way you can. So your personal liked post history stays private from public view. It's also important to understand what privacy does not change here. Even though your Likes tab is hidden from other users, post authors can still receive a notification when you like their post. So liking something is not completely invisible. The person who posted it may still know that you interacted with it. Also, the like count on the post itself is still visible, so public engagement numbers remain part of the post. So, to recap, your personal list of liked posts is hidden from other users, but your interactions may still be visible in other ways, like notifications and public like counts. That's why it's helpful to understand the difference between hiding your Likes tab and making your activity completely anonymous, because those are not the same thing. If you want to quickly check your own likes, just remember the simple path. Log into X, click Profile, then click Likes. You'll see your saved liked posts there. If you can see them, that means your account is working normally and your likes are stored privately for you. There is nothing else you need to configure. And that's really all there is to it. Your X likes are already private, so you don't need to change any settings to make them hidden. I hope this quick tutorial cleared things up and saved you some time. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple social media how-to videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.